that as long as I've prayed for you, may God not answer my prayer if I have bad intention. May God not answer my prayer concerning all the prayers I've had for you. But if I don't have bad intention towards you, all my prayer concerning you to be well again, may everything come to pass. May you come back strong and healthy. May you come back that even people that seem, oh God, have mercy. May you come back strong and healthy. May you come back that people will see how good God is. You know that I care for you. You know that I love you. A comment, she said that I said that if they don't remove me from that hospital, it's not going to be fine. You see, sometimes when I say something, you misquote my word for people to view it as a one bad thing that she have said. I said, if they don't take him away from that hospital, if he still remains in that hospital, yes, it's not going to be fine. What I mean is, in as much as he's in that hospital, there is no proof to show that this guy is okay. There is no proof to show that this guy is okay. He has been in the hospital for days. For days. I don't know what is wrong with him. You and Wise One, you people know what is wrong with him. It's obvious people know. People are hiding it away from me, and I don't know why people are hiding it away from me. Because if that condition is not critical, you people will not hide it away from me. If it's not something that is so serious, you people will not hide it away from me. But it's obvious it's serious. That is why people are hiding it away. A man that has been in the hospital for days. No, tell me, how will this man be okay in that hospital if he's not collecting proper treatment? You claim you are spending money. I did not see the sign of money. Down to the hospital. Down to the treatment they are giving him. Down to the... Oh, Jesus. I did not see anything that you are spending. You claim you are spending money, but I did not smell it. Even with... see, I don't have anything to say to you. I will not follow you and drag anything, but when I'm ready to do what I want to do, you, no Wise One, no anybody will not stop me. If you have conscience, if you really have conscience, then use your conscience well. Use your conscience well. Because it's obvious you don't have conscience. Because I don't know why you will live just how many minutes journey from home to the hospital, to his own family hospital, his own hospital, his own doctor's hospital. Just how many minutes you traveled all the way? 1 hour and just almost 2 hours. Just because, and you are telling me that if he's not feeling fine, if Lemon is not feeling fine, who am I going to call first? Who am I going to call first? When he was not feeling fine, when I don't know what, maybe you said his stomach was biting him. When I left this house, his stomach was not biting him, or you said probably his slump. I don't even know what you are. I don't even know what you are trying to calculate. I don't even know. The next person you could call was Wise One. Okay, fine. You called him. Wise One know the doctor. Wise One know the hospital. You people did not carry him there. You make sure that this guy suffer a lot of pain before he get to the bush you people took him to. Before you people took him to the bush you people took him to. No, a lot of people say, do a video of it, then later, in case anything happens to you, do a video of the hospital. The mother, she came there. The family came there. They saw it. No, now, they saw it. Thank God they saw it. They saw it. Even the mom could not stay. When Mama see hospital, she cried for her son. She wept for her son. She wept for her son. When this woman saw hospital, she wept for her son. How will you call yourself a wife? You claim you love him. You cry your crocodile tears. You pretend, and at the end of the day, hospital that even someone that is not okay, someone that is not even okay, cannot enter that hospital. You now took him there. You took him there. You did not inform the family. You informed Wise One. Wise One. and his friend Tiny. At least Tiny Berry, at least that one have sense. At least he says something that is okay. You, the mumu one. I won't say if anything happened to my husband though, because nothing is going to happen to me. Joy, we take him in from that hospital. You see that plan? Thank God the doctor already said we should bring him to the hospital. I pleaded with the doctor. It's not easy. It's not easy at all to have your own personal doctor and something is wrong with him. You did not take him there. You took him to another hospital. You expect the doctor to lay his hand on him, to touch him. Who does that? How do you expect me that I've been treating this person for years, and at the end of the run, this guy was sick. He had his own doctor. You did not call the doctor. You took him to a place where only God knows. And I called the doctor. I plead on his behalf to please accept him. Because if the doctor touch him and anything happen, they'll say it's the doctor. So the doctor needs to re-examine him. Imagine how you claim you have money. You do not take him to a nice hospital and spend that money. You did not take him to a nice hospital to spend that money. Before this doctor is going to examine him, his money. You did not. Now, okay, do you know what? I don't even need to say too much. When I'm carrying him to that money you claim you spend. Because to me, I did not see any money you spent on any hospital. Carry that money and go and use it and pay for the exam first. Let the man know what is wrong with him. Shebi, you claim say you get money. Fine, bravo. I clap for you. Rich woman. Carry that money. I'm changing the hospital. You tell me say until you see the hospital bus. Until you see the hospital. Who are you? See, you have no right. When I mean no right, when I'm ready for you, when I'm ready for you, you go know who really care for this person. You only talk for people to see what you are saying online, but you don't act it. That is the problem I have with you. You don't act it. Until you know why you had the right to deprive me of entering the hospital? Because you people is your people. You people have planned. You people have connived already. So what you tell them, probably you've bribed them, I don't know. So what you tell them is what they will do. But when I take him to my own hospital, where I know, where Lemon, his own daughter, has been treating, the hospital that I cannot carry him to, a hospital that is inside the bush, then you know. We're exchanging words in the hospital. Nobody came out to say you people should stop. The only person that came out is like Ayamatanga Bashok that came. And what you not for video on her face? Now me not for see how she take dress nurse. You for no Victor, you are in short. You could have let people see the way the nurses. You know, just carry oxygen put for the guy nose. To show that it's not only the breathing that is his problem. You have another thing again that you people are not telling me. You have there's another thing you people are not telling me. Who know if you have heart failure? God forbid. Who know if his enemy have heart problem? Who knows? The same person that when you shout at him, when you shout, he's telling you something, you are shouting at him, he hold his hand on his chest. Who knows? But I pray that will never happen. Who knows if there's another thing I don't even know about? And you're coming online and be saying all sort of shit, bullshit. I only wanted to surprise him. Even if he cannot see what I'm sending to him. Even if he cannot, but I just want to put it close to him and tell him how much I love him. He did not allow me to see him because it's your own hospital. You have to save that your money. Or have you spent all the money in treating somebody? How many millions have you spent and the person is still in that condition? How many millions have you spent and is still in that condition? No, now. If I spend million, I know say I spend million, I know where I spend my money put. But if I spend million, I won't even call millions. Million, just let me say for example, 1 million. I know where I spend it. I know, but at least if it's his doctor, at the end of some period, it's not going to take days. Because the guy is professional. You know if you are taking him there. Let's say, for example, he has been in the hospital for days. In that place, so days, and he has still not talked. He has still not opened his mouth. But if it was in his own doctor's hospital, he could have at least opened his eyes and talk. I don't know the plan you have with anybody you have plans with. You just heard that now I know why the mother said if anything should happen to him, I'll be blamed for it. Now I know why. The mother have seen what the mother have seen. The son did not see it early. He did not see it. What the mother saw, David, you did not see it earlier. David, you were blind, you did not see it earlier. When the mother warned you, you did not listen. You think this woman does not want you, you think she does not want the best for you. This woman still told you not to do anything called court. You still went deaf and you did it. Now look at yourself. It's all, I know that all the pressure that is happening to you right now, I know so that divorce is part of her. Because you put yourself in it. Me, I know that all the old pressure, all your thinking, everything, join the one where be say, I know the house, I don't know anything you do. I know so that divorce is part. They want you. They be want you. Mama tell you. They say teeth wey doctor they used to laugh. Now that same teeth they say they used to bite. Even as hen want to climb stick. If you know they comfortable for that stick. I'm just sorry for you. You know why? You know why? Because you still will not listen. Even if you're out today, you still will not listen. I'm just sorry for you because seeing you in this condition breaks my heart. I'm just sorry for you because if you yourself see yourself in this condition you are right now, you feel so sorry for yourself. I hope you listen. I'm so sorry for you because you don't know what the world is saying right now concerning all these things. You don't know how they are mocking me. I am so sorry for you because you still will use your kind heart to forget all the things, all the evil things they did to you. I still call it, yes, let's make a peace of mind. I'm still sorry for you. Oh, today, I have never been hurt because I got something for you. Even if you can't sit, I wanted you to feel love, even on your sick bed. Today, I wanted to be close to you. I don't need much from you. I said it before. You know, I will never pressure. You know, everything I did back then was because I wasn't happy with you. And why I wasn't happy is because many times I tell you, you would not listen. I don't do all of that because I hate you. Now people are calling your lifeless situation content a prank. You're not ashamed of yourself. If you're listening, you will not meet yourself in that condition. If you're listening, you will not meet yourself in that condition. All I did was love my kid. Causes my heart and I don't have bad intention. If I've always wanted or have any bad intention towards you, may God see my that as long as I've prayed for you, may God not answer my prayer if I have bad intention. May God not answer my prayer concerning all the prayers I've had for you. But if I don't have bad intention towards you, all my prayer concerning you to be well again, may everything come to pass. May you come back strong and healthy. May you come back that even people that seem, oh God, have mercy. May you come back strong and healthy. May you come back that people will see how good God is. You know that I care for you. You know that I love you. I know that even if you cannot open your eyes, I know you are seeing. I know you are feeling this. I have always stand by you. I have never wanted to leave your side, even if difficulties. When I traveled was because of my project, I left. You know that I will not see you feel sad and I will be happy and I came back because you were worried. Oh my God. I'm sorry that you're in this condition. I'm sorry. 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 Shouldn't have left. I should have just been close to you. I could have just been with you. Please. Every day I've always read my favorite proverb, my favorite Bible quote to you, for you to know that you are not alone. I know you're passing through a lot, but I'm sorry, I shouldn't have left. I never knew this is going to happen. I'm sorry. Please just wake up. I promise I won't shout, I won't do anything that's gonna hurt you again. I don't know. It's just like I can't even stay alone in the house without your presence. Isaiah 43, from verse 18 to 24, and it says, remember ye not the former things, neither consider the things of old. Behold, I will do a new thing in your life, David. God is going to do a new thing. Now it shall spring forth, shall ye not know it? I will even make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. The beast and the field shall honor me, the dragons and the worm, because I give waters in the wilderness and rivers in the desert, to give drink to my people, my chosen. These people have I formed for myself. They shall show forth my praise. Upon your life, God has chosen you. We shall show forth his praise. But thou hast not called upon me, O Jacob, but thou hast been weary of me, O Israel. Thou hast not brought me the small cattle of the burnt offering, neither hast thou honored me with the sacrifice. I shall not cause thee to serve with an offering, nor weary thee with incense. Thou hast brought me no sweet cane with money, neither hast thou filled me with the fat of the sacrifice, but thou hast made me to serve with the sins. Thou hast wearied me with the iniquities. I know God will heal you. I know by the Spirit, I know God will heal you. I know. I will fight. You'll be okay. I promise. I'm working everything possible for you to be fine. I'm sorry. I love you. I love you so much.